Let's read word family of M. A, M. M. M word sound M. Let's start to read M words and sentences. A, M, M. A, M, M. I am a boy. I am a boy. M, Sam. My name is Sam. My name is Sam. M, Ram. Sam has a ram. Sam has a ram. M, Yum. The ram eat a yum. The ram eat a yum. M, Jam. Sam like to eat jam. Sam like to eat jam. M, Ham. I like to eat ham. I like to eat ham. M, Dam. Dam. This is a big dam. This is a big dam. M, Swam. Swam. I swam in the dam. I swam in the dam. M, Tram. M, Tram. A tram is a small train. A tram is a small train. M, Exam. Exam. Today is my math exam. Today is my math exam. M, M. Clam. This is a clam. This is a clam. M, Ma'am. Rita ma'am teaches us math. Rita ma'am teaches us math.